Welcome back. This is episode 2 of the Bikes for Kids Chronicles. Today we're gonna test out the bike buying process. But first I'm gonna go meet Derrick and Ty to talk a little bit about project logistics. A lot is happening behind the scenes. And then we'll head back to Hengley Market and hopefully pick up our first set of bikes. For a little bit of context, do check out our first video. And I gotta keep my eyes on the road. Hello gentlemen, in the unofficial Bikes for Kids HQ. I thought I saw you. I didn't know we had access to this. So we can put a lot of bikes back here. Here we are again. We're back at Hengley. This time,
pick up some bikes.
With a much better adapted vehicle to pick up a couple bikes. Ty's gonna get as many bikes as he can get his hands on, or as he can fit back here.
Hopefully a few.
This place never fails to amaze me. If you missed the last video, this is Hengley Market in the Cambodian capital, where second-hand Japanese bikes come to be recycled and upcycled, in doing so getting a new lease on life. And today Ty is ordering a couple of these bikes, and he can explain what he's up to a whole lot better than me. So Ty, what are you up to?
Well, we're gonna pick up 6 bikes at a minimum, if I can squeeze in another 2 hopefully. I'm gonna go down to Koh Phong for the Phnom Penh holiday. So I thought it's a good opportunity just to drop off some bikes to some random kids on the street who might need it. So yeah, we'll see how we go.
Sounds good. And truth be told, we fundraised for 150 bikes, and we haven't fully figured out the logistics, but we have lots of ideas on how we will get the bikes out. Obviously, we are not a formal charity. All the money that you have sent to us is going directly to the bikes.
100%. 100% goes to the bike.
And 100% of those bikes will go to kids. And how they get to the kids, you'll have to stay tuned and keep following the videos. We have a dozen ideas and a dozen locations. And Ty is starting with Koh Phong.
Yep.
So this is really a pilot of how bikes can be purchased, transported, and then distributed. And we will keep repeating this process until 150 bikes have been distributed to deserving kids. Ty here is placing his order right now. While they're fixing up the bikes, let's take a little tour back here. Incredible. It's like a canyon of bicycles, and it's really quite treacherous to step around here. And here's all the baby boxes. And they're not the type of baby seats you would find on Western bikes. Oh, they look super Japanese.
They do look super Japanese.
What a Japanese baby would be in. Wow, and over here we have some old electric bicycles. I wonder if these still work. So Ty has picked up 6 bikes and they're here getting all set up. Here's the assembly line. He's putting on the lights. He was putting on the pedals and oiling the chain. So you can see they've got bells, and over here he's putting on the basket. And they've all got racks, and the tires are going to be pumped up so that they're good to be ridden by deserving kids somewhere in Koh Phong. Here's the first bike that's ready to go off the assembly line. You're gonna cycle?
Yeah.
Go for it.
All right. Woo. This is like...
There you going.
I feel like 15 again. Or 6. If we're having this much fun, imagine the kids.
How is it, Derrick? Are you ready to publicly commit to cycling to Takeo or somewhere far away on one of these?
Yeah, it's a bike. I'm happy on any bike. I think anybody would be happy and healthy on a bike like this, so yeah. My plan of trying to ride 400 kilometers for charity on one of these things next year is daft, but achievable, so.
Let me think about it, I'll think about it.
Well, it's on record for Derrick, smart answer. So Ty's bikes are all ready to roll. But first, a little word from Derrick and Ty.
So we just want to say thank you to everyone who's contributed to this little project that we started a couple of weeks ago?
Yes, it's been amazing.
We set a fairly ambitious target of 150 bikes, which we've exceeded now. So we've hit that target, and to everybody, a heartfelt thank you very much indeed. We've come down today to buy a pilot lot to see how it all works and what the bikes are like. So these are the bikes: bells, lights, racks, baskets. Yeah, so these are the ones that they're going to be winging their ways out to kids and people all over Cambodia. We're going to extend this to next year, where we set an even bigger goal.
We're going to set a goal for 1,000 bikes. So that means 1,000 smiles and 1,000 healthy kids, I suppose.
Yep, that's it, 1,000 bikes next year. So we have some ideas for some fundraisers, some challenge rides. Yeah, stay tuned to what we do. So thank you from Derrick and
Ty, I guess let's load them up.
Let's load the bikes up and get them out there.
So Ty, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 more small ones coming.
5 larger ones and 3 smaller ones. Pretty much like our little trial run. I'm a bit nervous about how they're tying up all that stuff, so we'll see how we go. Yep.
Yeah, seems they're playing Tetris with the bikes. But if there's anyone or anywhere in the world where they can load up vehicles with all sorts, Cambodians really do it best. Stress testing bikes. That's it for now, and that footage you just saw is from 2 days ago. Ty is on the road right now as we speak, donating bikes and sending us photos in pretty much real time. Here are the first 3 bicycle donations, and if you donated and would like to see who received the bike, do check out our Facebook and Instagram page. We'll be posting more pictures there, and as we do bigger and bigger drops, I will continue making bigger and better videos. So also please consider liking and subscribing to this channel. And one last thing before we go, I'd like to leave you again with a nice symphony, this time by our very own Derrick Murray. Derrick, please don't kill me for including this.
I want to ride my bicycle, I want to ride my bike, I want to ride my bike, I want to ride it where I like.